Hello students, let's move for the 15th sum in the exercise 5.3. Let's read the sum. In the figure 5.33, ABC is a quadrant of a circle. Quadrant in the sense quarter part of a circle. So this is the ABC is a quadrant of a circle. Of the radius 14 centimeter, it is having a radius 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter in the sense this thing, okay, this thing 14 centimeter. And a semicircle is drawn with a BC as a diameter. Okay, one semicircle has drawn with a BC as a diameter. This thing has taken as a diameter. Diameter in the sense, I think you know about the two radius. By this it has drawn one semicircle. Okay, find the area of the shaded region. So which is the semicircle we drawn, so that should be shaded. Find that region. So let us take that quarter part only here has taken. In the triangle ABC, here we can get the triangle, one triangle ABC. You can apply the Pythagoras theorem here. By the Pythagoras theorem we can write BC square equals AB square plus AC square. AB square in the sense 14 square plus 14 square equals 14 square means 196 plus 196 equal to 392. So BC square nothing but the 392, and BC, this 392 we can write as root of 196 into 2. So that nothing but 392 only. So for the 196 we know the square number for 196. BC equals 16 root 2. So this is the BC value. BC is the 16 root 2 centimeter square. Keep in mind 16 root 2 centimeter. Sorry, square number for 196 is 14 root 2 centimeter square. So let's find out now. So after we get the BC is the diameter here. Diameter in the sense radius we can get. This is also called as a diameter because they only told in the BC as a diameter. So if we are taken a radius is, we know about that is the D divided by 2. Nothing but BC is diameter is 14 root 2 divided by 2. Nothing but it is 2 sevens of 14, 7 root 2. Okay, 7 time it is 7 root 2 is the radius of the semicircle, or radius of this semicircle, this radius. Okay, next we have to calculate the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. So we know that which is the formula of into base into height. Here base is AB for this, and AC, and height is AB. So we can take that half into base is AC into height is AB. Okay, let us substitute the value of into AC, nothing but it is 14 only, even AB is also 14. Okay, 2 sevens of 14 and 14 sevens is 98 centimeter square. So this is the area of the triangle ABC. Now we have to find out the area of sector. Area of sector formula we know that is the theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So if we substitute the theta it should be 90 degree, because in this we can take 90 degree only here. Okay, so it should be completely 360 degree in a circle. In a circle it should be completely 360. If it is divided into 4, that should be 90. So that's why the angle is 90 divided by 360 into pi value we know that is the 22 by 7 into r we got now, that is the 7 root, in this area of the biggest circle, that should be 14, and that nothing but the 14 into 14. Okay, so we can take that as 14 into 14. Next is, this is the radius of the semicircle, and this is the radius of the big circle. Semicircle in the sense how we got here this thing, and this is 14 is the radius of this circle. Don't get confusion. Okay, radius of this circle is 14, and radius of the semicircle we got 7 root 2 here. Okay, that is the radius of the semicircle. Don't get confusion. Here we want to take a big circle radius. 7 2s are 14, 1 0 1 0 get cancel, 9 1s are 9 4s are again from 2 2s are 4 2 11s are 2 to this get cancel. 11 into 14 it should be area of sector is 154 centimeter square. 11 14s are 154 4. Okay, next we have to calculate the area of semicircle shaded region. Okay, the area of shaded region, in the sense area of semicircle we have to take down, area of semicircle. So area of semicircle, in the sense that is the pi r square is the area of a circle. Area of semicircle means pi r square divided by 2, or of pi r square also we can take. That should be half into pi value is 22 divided by 7. We can take this as half pi r square or pi r square divided by 2, and r square value we got, that is the 7 root 2 into 7 root 2, because radius of the semicircle should be 7 root 2. So 2 11s are, it is 7 1, it is 11 1s are 11, 11 into 7 is 77, 77 into root 2 into root 2, it's become 2 only. 77 into 2, it is 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 154 centimeter square. Hope you will understand this calculation, right? 7 7 get cancelled, 2 11s are, then 11 into 7 is 77, root 2 into root 2, it is 2 only. Okay, because root 2 into root 2 become a root 2 square, root 2 into root 2, it's become root 2 square. We can write here square and square root 2 get cancelled, remaining is 2. So in this way it is clearer. 77 into 2 is 154 centimeter square. This is the area of semicircle. Let's take area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. So here shortage of space, that's why I am writing in one line only, but you can continue with another line. That is the first we have to take area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. This is because this shaded region is comes into the under this only, no? So that's why we have to take area of semicircle minus area of sector minus area of triangle ABC, minus area of sector minus area of triangle ABC. So let us substitute the value. Area of semicircle now we got, that is the 154 minus of area of sector we got the again 154 minus area of triangle ABC we got 98. So next 154 minus 98, we have to do that first. 154 minus 98, what is in bracket, that thing we have to solve. 14 minus 8 is 6, and 4 will be 14, 14 minus 9 will be 5. Okay, totally we got 56. So that equal to 154 minus 56. Okay, 56. Next you have to do 154 minus 56. 14 minus 6 is 8. Then it should be here 4 again 14. 14 minus 5 is, it should be 9. That will be equal to 98 centimeter square. Hope you will understand this. First we have to do the bracket. 154 minus 98 we got 56. 154 minus 56 we got the 98 centimeter square. Let's move for the next sum. 16th sum it is, calculate the area of the designed region in the figure 5.34. This is the figure, in that we want to calculate this area of designed region. Okay, the figure for common between the two quadrant of the circle of radius 8 centimeter each. Okay, so this is also one part of one quadrant of the circle. Here we are having a one quadrant in that. So this radius should be 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. I mean, it is a quadrant or a square. If it should be like that, all the sides are equal. So that is that thing we got 8 centimeter, and the angle we got here 90 degree, because the angle I told now that should be completely 360 degree. In that one we have taken, that is the 90 degree. Okay, so we want to calculate this region. Okay, this here we can get, it is the area of a minor segment and area of first we have to calculate the area of a sector, then after area of the minor segment, then we can get the area of the shaded region. First we have to calculate for this area of the triangle. So if we draw one line here, we can get the two triangle, that is the one is ABD and another one is BCD. So any one triangle we have to calculate area of triangle. Any one we can take ABD. So that thing you know, that half into base into height. Here half into, and base should be AB and height is AD. So half into AB is 8, for the both it is into 8 only. 2 4s are 8 4s are 32 centimeter square. So this is the area of triangle ABD. Next we have to calculate area of sector. Sector formula we know already, theta divided by 360 into pi r square, right? Okay, so theta should be, I told you already, it is a 90 degree. 90 divided by 360 into pi value is 22 divided by 7 into r we got, that is the 8 into 8. So 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. 9 1s are 9 4s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 2 8s are 16. Next is 22 into 16. So 22 into 16, 16 2s are 32, 3, 16 2s are 32 plus 3, 35. So totally we got here 352 divided by 7, right? Okay, 352 divided by 7, or if we do this, 7 5s are 35. 2 it's not possible to divide, put a point 20, it become 7 3s are 21 is more, 7 2s are, so 50.2 centimeter square almost it is. Next we have to calculate the area of segment here, because it is comes in the segment, so that's why we have to take the area of segment. So area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of sector is 50.2 minus area of triangle is 32. So 50.2 minus 32 is 50.2 minus 32. 2 minus 0 is 2, 10 minus 2 is 8, 4 minus 3 is 1. So that is totally we got 18.2 centimeter square. This is the area of the segment, I mean one segment. So here we can get this side segment and with this side segment if we draw. So thus into, because this shaded region in is considered as a both the segment. So that's why area of two shaded region. This is the area of segment or area of one shaded region. We can get area of one shaded region, one sided triangle shaded region. Okay, if we draw the triangle like that, we get a one-sided triangle shaded region. In the same way, area of two shaded region is, that is also same. No, here if we are taken this triangle also, we can get the same, that is the 2 into 18.2. So that equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3, 36.4 centimeter square. So this is the area of shaded region. Hope you will understand and the lesson was completed. Thank you.